Well. Today is gonna be a long day ahead, hence getting ready for a bath. So what I plan to do is basically get a anti-puncture kit installed on the bike because since my bike has spokes, and for those of you who do not know, spoke wheels do not have tubeless tires. I mean, of late there are high-end bike manufacturers who are giving tubeless tires for spoke wheels, but since mine being a mid-range bike, I do not have the provision of it, so I'm going to get an anti-puncture kit installed for the bike. Also, I have not installed a crash guard, which is very much essential, as well as some oil products, the chain lube and the chain cleaners. So a long day ahead with a long list of money also going. Let's get started then. All set? Once I reach the place, I'll give you guys the information. Let's head there then. ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಖಾಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಿಂದ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಊಟಿಯಿಂದ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಚೆನ್ನೈ ರೀಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋದು. ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ
ಹೌದಾ?
ಬ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಅಂತ.
Guys, this is Prakash and he owns the Formula X store. So what he's telling is this Formula X Pro, which is out of stock. Basically, it's in high demand, and he's installing it from a container which he has somewhere here. So this is the big container wherein he had the stock available. Hence, I'm kind of able to get the whatever kit, the anti-puncture kit installed.
Actually, these things are all imported from UK.
Okay.
Its patent product is Tyrosil.
Okay.
Okay. For India, we are marketing from Formula X.
Alright.
Anyway, it is a Tyrosil product. For India, we have taken a trademark for Formula X. It will be coming for us in a barrel and be repacked for Indian
Right.
So right now we have this one all barrel we use for cars.
Yes,
Okay, so
right.
because we can't customize for packets for cars,
Right.
so we use for cars. Right now we don't have packets for other customers due to this COVID-19.
Right.
So shipping is not happening, so we are not able to get packets. So we are using whatever available with us right now.
Great. And what I heard is it comes in around 3 packs. One is
One is for your scooters, which is for Activa and Axis, other things actually. Other one is for 150cc variant bikes. Another one is Pro. Pro is for all 350 Enfield and all other
bigger. So what I've heard from this is basically not a liquid, but it is a gel-based technology.
It's not a gel-based technology actually. We have a gel which carries the rubber particles.
Okay.
So gel is just a carrier.
Right.
So the sealing is happening from the rubber particles which is inside.
Okay.
So what will happen whenever a puncture happens? So due to the pressure, the gel comes out. With the gel, the rubber particle will seal the puncture.
Okay.
So it's like other sealants what you should find in market in the way. That's all gel will come outside from the this thing and that will become hardening.
Right.
So there is a chances of gel getting hardening inside the tire.
Okay. Which is not a good thing. Right.
Again it's not proved or anything like that.
Okay.
Might be happening, might not be happening.
Correct.
Whereas in our case we have tested the gel keeping in our open environment. It will
Okay.
take at least 10 days to 1 week time to getting hardened. That is also hardened. It's not a crystallized form. It's a rubberized.
Rubberized form. ಇದು 3-4 ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ರೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
It's almost January, February, March, April, May, June. Almost 5 months.
5 months. But still it will be like that only.
5 months is not hardened state.
ಓಕೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟೈರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನೂ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
In tire, same thing will happen inside tire.
ಟೈರ್.
So it's hollow. So any which ways you can wash also this one. If
Right.
you want a gel in your tubeless tires, you can wash out the gel. It's a washable.
Oh,
so it will not
fair
be,
enough.
Yeah, For tube tires, anyway, you can remove the tube and you can install the new tube. In
Correct.
case you don't find it is okay for riding or anything.
Yes.
But we have installed more than 300 plus bikes from January.
Oh really? Nice.
So till now we didn't get any feedback saying it is not good or anything.
Oh.
In case I didn't get any calls after installation, that is
Correct.
a good thing for me because
Exactly.
I don't have to attend any
True.
customer complaints.
Suppose even if we take out the nail after the puncture, we need not even put the air back in.
See,
That's what
what
I
I
heard.
suggest is when you have right now in tube or tubeless tires, what will happen is because it's already there, the nail will not leak.
Correct.
That nail will stay inside the tube tire,
Yes.
however it is. What we say is before the ride or intervals of ride or once in a week when you see tire pressure getting down or anything, you check that
Hair pressure
tires
or the
monitor
okay.
tires.
Okay.
Okay, when you find nail or anything, then you take it to the near service center where you can find air in case there is air loss.
Better.
So you remove the air, that will get repaired. If at all you find any air loss, you can fill the air better.
Correct.
So main thing is you don't have to repair.
Correct.
It is automatically repairable from inside itself. So main thing is for tube and tubular tire, there is no repair. required.
Right.
So it will get sealed. That's the main this thing of this
Okay.
product actually.
Okay. Thank you, Prakash.
Thank you.
And just like that, within like a 5-minute conversation, they've already done the installation and it's already ready. It was very fast indeed. So I'll just get back to you guys then. Okay, let me tell you, biking is really very expensive. As in when I purchase every other item, I feel like it is very mandatory. In any which case, it will be. So today I got the anti-puncture kit installed. So it costed me 1,450, including the installation charge. The person out there was a very genuine guy. He kind of helped me and gave in-depth information about the product. I would say it kind of covers 90% of all the punctures. I mean the 10%, I mean you never know if it's a very big nail or if the nail has gone not straight into the tire but has gone sideways. If it has gone sideways, it is kind of very difficult, and the product which we've put in kind of won't work. But these are very rare cases, and the situation we are in, we don't have certainty about our life itself. So what about the puncture kit, right? Ideally, there are many types of anti-puncture kit in the market. One might be wherein a puncture has already happened and you can put the sealant or the liquid through the valve and it kind of goes and gets blocked where the hole is. So that is one type. The type I have put now is before the puncture. So if at all there happens to be a puncture, you just need to remove the nail. It's so advanced that you need not have to even put in air after removing the nail. The gel which is inside, it kind of goes and gets stuck in the hole. So there will be no loss of air pressure as well, but highly recommended after you pull out the nail, visit any nearest petrol bunk or any other puncture repair shop just to check out the air. I also said one more thing, that I'll have to ride the bike after installing the puncture kit for 10 odd kilometers. So I took out the bike, went to another place, JC Road, show you the accessories. So this is after the puncture kit has been installed. I never felt any kind of wobbling or anything of that sort. It absolutely went smooth. You kind of feel no difference at all. So like I said, I went to JC Road to get the fork gaiters. So this is the one. You have a rubber kind of a sponge or a rubber padding wherein that will protect your forks in case if any dirt or something happens to accumulate on that. Also I've got the engine guard. So the service center guy was kind of busy and he said he'll do it a bit late, so I might as well will go in the evening. So that's more or less about the anti-puncture kit and a couple of basic accessories which I picked up. All set. If you like this video for whatsoever reason, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe as well. Goodbye guys.